Creating a Klarna One Time Card is pretty easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Start by searching Klarna.com in your web browser. Once you're on the Klarna website, scroll down to the end and click on Customer Service from the Customer section. On the Customer Service page, click on Products and Services. Look for the option called One Time Card and click on it. After clicking on the One Time Card, you will see a section that says what is a one-time card and how does it work. Click on it to learn more. Now, let's move on to the steps for creating a one-time card. To create a one-time card, start by shopping with Klarna in the Klarna app. When you're ready to make a purchase, choose the Pay with Klarna option in the app or create a new one-time card within the app. Next, you will need to set the spending amount for the one-time card. Enter the exact amount including shipping that you plan to spend. Once you enter the amount, you will receive an overview of the agreement as confirmation. Please note that a flat service fee will be added to your purchase amount. After setting the spending amount, proceed to checkout on the store's website. Your address details will be pre-filled based on the information on file. If you don't already have your information, you can enter your standard billing and shipping addresses. When it's time to pay, select the credit card option and enter the one-time card information, just like you would like any other card. Enter the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. After completing your purchase, make sure to check the Klarna app for updates. If you end up spending less than the amount on the one-time card, you can change the spending amount by selecting Refund Unused Amount on the purchase page. Otherwise, the amount will be automatically adjusted after 14 days. One important thing to note is that you can only use a one-time card once. If the card goes unused, it will expire after 24 hours.